Hello students, in this video we will learn the basics of subject-verb agreement. Before understanding subject-verb agreement, we will understand what is the subject and what is the verb in the sentence and how to identify the subject and the verb in any sentence. Then we will learn what exactly is subject-verb agreement and basic rules surrounding it. Let's get started. So, what is the subject in the sentence? The subject is the person, place, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. And what is the verb? It is the action performed by the subject or state of being. Let's understand through an example. Ajay plays cricket regularly. To identify the subject, ask the question who is performing the action of playing. So we can see here that Ajay is playing. Ajay is performing an action. That's why Ajay is the subject. And to identify the verb, we can ask what subject is performing. And we can see here that the subject Ajay, that is playing. That's why plays is the verb. In this way, we can identify the subject and the verb in the sentences asking such type of questions. Now let's understand what is subject-verb agreement. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. We use the singular form of the verb with the singular subject and the plural form of the verb with the plural subject. We use is, was, his with all singular subjects and am, was, have with I and are, were, have, you with all plural subjects. But sometimes it is not very easy to decide whether the subject is singular or plural and whether we should use the singular or plural form of the verb. Some of such special uses are very important. We must learn them. And these special uses are when singular subjects joined by and they take a plural verb. Look at these examples. Her father and mother have come. Here two singular subjects are here, her father and mother, and they are joined with and. That's why plural verb is used here. Manu and Misha are sitting in the library. Again here two subjects, they are singular, Manu and Misha, and they are joined with and. That's why plural verb is used here. With the introductory there. In the sentences beginning with there, the verb agrees with the real subject which is placed after the verb. There are 20 students in the class. The sentence is starting with there and is in such type of sentences the subject is written after the verb. The verb is are here or after that we can see 20 students are written. This is plural, that's why plural verb is used here. There is only one student present. Today the verb is or after that only one student is written, that is the subject, that's why is used here. When two nouns represent one person, one thing or one idea, we use a singular verb. My friend and cousin is with me. The same person is the speaker's friend as well as cousin. That's why singular verb is used here. The poet and the novelist has died. The poet and the novelist is the same person. That's why singular verb is used here. A collective noun is generally considered singular and take a singular verb. The class is quiet. The team has done well. Some nouns seem to be plural but are actually singular and take a singular verb. Physics is a branch of science. The news is true. Some nouns like police, people, etc. are always used as plural and take a plural verb with them. The police have arrested the culprit. People are aware of the fact. A plural number expressing distance, height, weight, or an amount of money is considered singular and takes a singular verb. 500 rupees is not a big amount. 500 rupees is expressing an amount of money. That's why singular verb is used here. 100 kilometers is not a long distance. 100 kilometers is expressing a distance. That's why singular verb is used here. If with or as well as joins the two subjects, the verb agrees with the first subject. The captain with all his players is in the ground. The captain and the second subject is all his players. They both are joined with. In such case, we have to check the first subject, that is the captain, singular. That's why singular verb is used here. He as well as his friends is honest. He, here are two subjects, he, his friends, and they are joined with as well as. That's why singular verb is used here because of he. With each, either, neither, everyone, and one of the they take a singular verb. Each of these singers sings well. One of my classmates is blind. Many of you, several, and both take a plural verb. Many of the students were absent yesterday. A few of these houses are still on sale. Either or, neither nor. If two subjects are connected with either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject. Neither the stars nor the moon is shining. Here two subjects are there, the stars and the moon, and they are joined with neither or nor. In such case, we have to check the nearest subject to the verb, that is moon. Moon is singular, that's why is used here. Either Monu or his friends have taken my purse. Two subjects are here, Monu, his friends. They are joined with either or. In this case also, we have to check the nearest subject to the verb. According to this, we have to use the verb. His friends, that is plural, that's why have is used here. Students, I think this is clear to you. Thank you.